Go to cbsphiladelphia.com, and there we have alerts that you can get, and those are going to be going off as soon as we have a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning. So that's my suggestion to you today. So take a look outside Cape May. Again, everything is churned up. Look at the city. We have raindrops already on the lens. We've seen rain in a few thunderstorms this morning. 62 in Philadelphia, 61 in Trenton, Atlantic City. You're at 62 right now. Wilmington 64, and even Allentown. You're into the 60s at this point. Here's what we're tracking. 2 rounds of rain and storms. We're going to be looking at the evening for the severe weather threat. I think this could start after 4 o'clock. We also have a high wind advisory that's out there until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is what's left of that severe weather outlook from yesterday's monster storms in the Midwest. They were up here in the moderate and even high range. We are in level 2, the slight risk. This is the yellow, but I have to tell you, every time that we see the yellow, we generally will see these damaging winds, and we have seen plenty of isolated tornadoes. That is part of what we're looking at today, along with some large hail. That's why we want you to be prepared. The tornado risk, it encompasses our entire area with the exception of the Poconos. It is a 5% risk, which doesn't sound high, but in the weather world, that is high. We're also looking at a 10% risk of the damaging winds and a 10%. Now it's down to a 5% actually. So the hail risk has just dropped down to 5%. Still, that's pretty high in the weather world. As far as rain and even embedded thunderstorms right now, from Allentown to Reading down to Limerick, all the way down to the I-95 corridor through Philadelphia, we have showers and a few rumbles of thunder. This extends into the northern portion of Delaware, in fact, all of Delaware, and then a line that is extending down the shore right now of steadier showers and a few rumbles of thunder. What's going on? This is the first batch that is going to be clearing the area in the next couple of hours. You see the clearing moving through Ohio and the western part of Pennsylvania. You're thinking, that's it, it's done. You're wrong. This is what we're watching right back here. What you see forming coming out of Chicago, that is a second front. This orange right here represents the very dry air and the sunshine we'll see this afternoon. Front number 1, dry air. Front number 2 behind it. So that dry air is going to allow, that drying and that sunshine, allow the atmosphere to percolate. The first front will go through, we'll have the dry slot, then the second one comes through this evening. That's the one that we have to watch. So here's what's going to happen. We have these showers and storms this morning. Then we're going to roll through. We're going to get the clearing 2, 3, 4 o'clock. Here come these isolated thunderstorms popping up. There's enough spin in the lower atmosphere with these winds coming in 40 to 50 miles an hour that between 5, 6, 7 o'clock, moving into Philadelphia, down the shore 8 o'clock, and clearing by 9 o'clock, we could definitely see the severe weather popping. So you're going to want to stay with us here, and you're going to want to make sure you can get alerted. 74 today, 52 tomorrow. That's quite a big change. At least it'll be sunny and dry tomorrow. Jan?
I'll take that. All right, Tammie, thank you.